Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Now I don't know how many times I have said it, but I will say it again and again. I am a fan of eyebrow palettes, and if you have been seeing my videos anytime soon, you would be aware of my overused L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit. That probably is my most used eyebrow product. But somehow this never gets old, so when I saw another product, very similar packaging of a drugstore brow palette, I had to pick it up. And yes, I am talking about this cute little palette from Annabelle called the Bouncy Eyebrow Palette, which sadly enough comes in only one variation called Universal. So none for light, medium or dark eyebrows, but does include 3 shades here. Now these, according to the packaging, are a full color, a blend color, and then a universal illuminate color. First off, I did realize that all of these are 3 cream pans. So it definitely gets me a little anxious for how it's going to play on my eyebrows and how it's going to sit. Maybe almost like an eyebrow pencil, but we'll have to see. The packaging does say that it's a smooth formula from cream to powder. So that gets me a little bit more comfortable with the formula, the texture, but we will have to try it. Now the palette does include a spoolie and a little brush, and we all know how we feel about these little things. They do not work, especially for the precision that we want on our eyebrows. And holding this little spoolie so near can really saturate a lot of product in one place when we really want to get those brush strokes. So we are going to go in with a longer spoolie and a brush, which I've been using, which is from Milani. It's one of their angled eyebrow brushes, and this definitely makes any eyebrow product, cream or powder, work. Now if you're interested in how I use this, check out this video right here, since it covers my full brow routine, including cleaning my eyebrow and also making it. But for this current video, I'm going to be rushing through some of the application steps, since I really want to be able to focus on the product here and if it really works. So let's begin. First and foremost, I am going to be swatching these shades in the back of my hand so that you can really see the color and how it really looks in action. And then we'll go into my eyebrows, which are not yet done. Here is the full shade. Now the second one here is the blend shade, and the third one here is the illuminate shade. It's almost a little bit chalky, so I'm not really happy about this last shade, but we'll see how it really plays on my brow. The formula here is very creamy, the texture is very smooth, so I definitely enjoy that, and it's very pigmented color, so it's nice if you have deep dark or deep brown eyebrows. I am going to go in with the deepest shade here, right, to create those little hair-like strokes on the outer section of my brow. Unfortunately, this product does not come with a mirror, so we will have to make do with our Salt New York mirror and palette. If you're interested in a review of this, check out this video right here. But let's go in with our brow product now. Now that the filling is done, let's go in with the brown tone shade. So we can do a little bit in the middle and the top section, so we can create an almost ombre effect. I am not going to be filling in my other brows so that we can really see the difference this product makes to your face shape and how it really picks up this side of my face instead of make it droopy. Now all in all, I do think this product is really working. If I just zoom you in, you'll be able to see that I'm able to create an almost clean line and really start to give a shape to my brow. But if you start to get oily soon, it could all get mushy on the brow. Now that is not necessarily a bad thing, as it would create a little bit of volume in your brow. But what I would not like for this product to do is start moving around so much that it starts to fall out of my brow shape. I do definitely like both the full shade and the blend shade, but I am frankly not a fan of the illuminate shade here, and here is why. Now I wanted a base bone shade that you can really use to clean out the sections and the edges of the eyebrow, and if all I have is just the illuminating cream without any pigment, it is going to highlight my around the brow pigmentation even further. So I will have to go in with a concealer shade to really clean up my corners and then set it with the powder and then go in with probably not an illuminate shade. So that definitely does not work. So the illuminate shade is probably not going to see the light of day in my makeup routine. So I am necessarily paying only for the other two shades, which is the blend and the full shade. Also, I have to point out that the full shade may be too dark for paler skin tones, but if you have your brows dyed or darkened, you should be fine. Now that's all from my review of the Annabelle Bouncy eyebrow palette. It is definitely not replacing my brow artist genius kit, so hopefully the beauty industry will come out with another product soon that will make me think that if this palette remains my most preferred. But until then, I will keep bringing new products like these and interesting products to you. So hit that like button to give me that special boost of energy and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video next week, but until then, you take care, love yourself, and stay snatched. Bye.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.